Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the video here at Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So as you saw the title and thumbnail, we have a brand new Hot Wheels Case P. And before we get started in this, yes, I do just kind of ignore this. I was recently in a car accident. If you guys do watch my main channel, you'll see that the new car I just got for less than 2 weeks, somebody actually pulled out in front of me, got in a crash and messed up my wrist. So just ignore that. We're just gonna go ahead and press with this video. I'm really excited to, the super treasure hunt for this case is one that I really want for my personal collection. So I really hope we have it in this case. Even the treasure hunt looks pretty cool as well. Like I said, brand new Case P, and I'm really excited to bust into this. Let's go ahead and carefully lay it on its side. Actually, I can't really put too much weight on that hand. All right. And let's go ahead and cut this thing open. A lot of these cars will be available on my merch store, shopemptyparadise.com, or there's going to be links in the description down below. So definitely go check that out. And as this video goes live, those cars are already available on there. Oh, there we go. Gosh, luckily nothing's broken. It's just a really bad sprain and very bruised. So shouldn't affect the unboxing of this video. Maybe just a little bit. But, alright, let's go ahead and slide this out of the way and get started right up on top. Man, this kind of sucks because the way I usually do this is with my right hand. Alright, let's just maybe take out a couple to start off with. Oh. Alright, wow, okay, starting off right away, we have the Fast and the Furious 70 Dodge Charger. It is the tuned version, and it's in gray. We did see it in black, and then we saw another one with a red stripe back there. This one is gray with that stripe. And then we have the proper chopper, and then the Tesla Model S Plaid, which looks really good in that blue. Alrighty. There we go. Ooh, we got a couple of nice cars in here. We got the 87 Audi Quattro in black. The Porsche 911 Carrera keychain, which looks really cool in that blue and white color. And then the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. Man, I love Porsches, and it's awesome seeing a couple there. Alrighty. Ooh, okay. So we have a speed bump, which is a kind of crushed car, which looks pretty cool. The Mazda RX3, the Mad Max version that's tuned, and it's in white. We did see that in orange previously. And then the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko in orange, and I think it looks really nice. Alrighty. We have a Rink Racer. Did see that in blue before, now it's in green. A Total Disposal, also new color. And the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile in a really nice dark blue. Kind of like that. Alrighty. Ooh, what do we got here? Okay, ooh, okay. So we got a Hot Wheel roll cage. It actually looks really nice. We have the 67 Chevy C10 finished in red. It actually looks very similar to the red edition, the Target exclusive. And then the Hot Wheel 450F. Alright, we have the 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, the Roland Solo, and the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, also a new color. Did see that in red before, now I got it in that kind of yellow cream color. Okay, we got a Donut Drifter, which looks really cool with those colors. A Hover Storm, and a custom 72 Chevy Love in white, which looks really nice. Man, a lot of the cars in this case so far seem like they're almost like kind of like cool, soothing colors. It's nothing like super aggressive looking. Oh, wow. Okay, this one's kind of, there we go, sitting weird in the package. But there's the small block, and then we have the Aston Martin DB4 GT high-speed edition. Also, it is a part of the, I guess it's not part of the series where it has like the Zamac finish, but it is finished in, obviously, a Zamac finish with the red on there. Obviously, it's not an official Zamac, but it is the exact same finish where it's just like the raw looking metal. That looks absolutely amazing. I really want to add one of these to my personal collection because I do Hot Wheel races every single day on my 6-lane raceway. And it'd be really cool to add a cool new Aston Martin to that. Plus this thing is massive. So hopefully I can get a damaged one. This will be available on my merch store if you guys are interested. And hopefully I find another one later on that's damaged because I would love to open one up, but I don't want to destroy a good condition one. And we also have the Gordon Murray Automotive T.50s, or however you would see how that looks really cool as well. I'd also love to add one of these to my collection. It's a pretty crazy looking supercar, so that would be really cool. Alright, wow, we have some cool ones in this one. We got the Tread Shredder, the Porsche 911 Rally, which is really awesome. It's like that Porsche 911 Dakar. And then we have the Mustache. Oh, this is a nice little lineup right here. Wow! Alright, we got the Honda S800 Racing, the Nissan Skyline GTR R33, the Godzilla, finished in that nice gray with the gold and silver accents on there. That looks really awesome. And then we have the Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR. And those colors look really cool as well. Man, what an awesome lineup so far. Alright, we have the King Cuda, which is a Plymouth Barracuda, the Birthday Burner, and the Hot Wheel 4-track. Oh! Okay, so we got the treasure hunt with a very damaged package. So we got the 59 Chevy Impala, and right there you can see the treasure hunt logo. And let me turn it up a little bit. You see the logo there behind the car. This is the treasure hunt for the case. However, you can see right up here, there's big giant creases in that. It was actually laying flat, so it's kind of interesting how that's all damaged and creased. But we did get the treasure hunt for the case, so it does kind of suck that it is damaged. But yeah, sometimes it is what it is. But man, that is kind of a cool car. Obviously, you got the treasure hunt logo there on the side, and then the wheels actually have skulls on them. So that's a pretty interesting car. Obviously, like Day of the Dead themed. We set it off to the side. And then we also have the, let me hold these up, the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. So the Liberty Walk Nissan GTR. So that thing looks really cool as well, finished in that really nice gray. I really like that. And then we also have the 63 Studebaker Champ in white. Oh, that was the first half of the case. Let me pull out the divider. Actually, let me use this hand so it's a lot easier. Alrighty. And now let's go ahead and go right up on top and start the bottom half of the case. Oh, we got another Nissan Skyline GTR R33. We got a Solero GT and an 87 Audi Quattro. So if you guys are interested in these cars, they will be available on my merch store. Now that I look at it, so this one is actually damaged. It does have a messed up corner here, messed up corner here. There's some more dents and dings across the bottom and a little bit on the back. So this one I'm actually probably going to open and add to my 6-lane raceway so you guys can see that in some upcoming Hot Wheel racing videos. But I also do have multiple other ones available. The previous cases did have them. So I do have multiple on my merch store. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. If you want to pick up any of these cars, actually. Okay, so we got a Mailed It. We got a Desert Drifter in a new color. And then the Lamborghini Huracan Storado, which is actually the off-road variant. So we have that Porsche 911 Rally and then the Storado, which is two supercars that come factory as like an off-road setup, which is really cool. I forgot this is going to be in this case. So we have the tuned version of the Fast and the Furious 94 Toyota Supra. It's actually the one that's not like the main Paul Walker one, but the other one that was kind of early on, I believe in the first race of the first movie. I know this one's very uncommon for a lot of the other sets. If I have multiples, these will be on my merch store. But as of this video going live, if this is the only one I have found so far, I will have this in my personal collection. Man, this is really awesome. I was really excited about this coming out because I did see something about this one. And I forgot it was actually going to be in this case. So that's pretty exciting. But then we also have a 2016 Ford GT Race and the Tesla Model S Plaid. Alright, we have the 95 Mazda RX-7, BMW M3 wagon in red, and a Silverado EV RST in black, which looks pretty cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we got it. We got the super treasure hunt for the case. We got the Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. This is the super treasure hunt for the P case. And honestly, the condition looks really, really good as well. Like I said, this is the one I wanted for my personal collection. Let me see if I can kind of shift it in the package a little bit. You guys can see the gold treasure hunt logo there behind the car. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. You got the little TH right there in front of the wheel. You can see it right there. Obviously the rubber Real Riders tires on there. You got the Spectra Flame paint. Man, that looks absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we got the Super. Out of every single car that came out this year, this is the one that I wanted more than anything. So I am really excited that this is here in the case. And wow, I honestly hope I can get like a regular version of this in an upcoming case, because I actually do have multiple of this case coming because I specifically wanted this car as a super treasure hunt. So I cannot believe that the first P case that came in has it. Let me know what you guys think of that down in the comments down below. I am super excited, and like, I cannot believe that we just got this in the case. That is so amazing. I'm going to set it aside carefully because I don't want anything to happen to it. Wow, so we also have the McLaren P1 in red. That's a new recolor. And then we also have a beautiful Toyota Supra in green. Man, I'm just so excited that we got the Super. Wow. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we have a Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L, the Gordon Murray Automotive T50s, and then a Custom 72 Chevy Love. Alright. Man, let's see what else we get in this case. I am just so excited already. I had the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, the Mazda RX3 tune, and the Birthday Burner. Let's stack them up here. We have another Lamborghini Huracan Storado, Hoverstorm, and a King Cuda. Alrighty. And another Studebaker Champ, Heavy Hitcher, and another small block. Alright, we're almost down. Actually, yeah, we're almost down to the bottom. So we have another Porsche 911 Carrera keychain, another Porsche 904 Carrera GTS, and another Hot Wheel 4-track. I'm curious to see what else is in this case. Oh, heck yeah. So we got another Donut Drifter, another Aston Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition, and another Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. And honestly, this Aston Martin is damaged pretty bad on this corner. So I will be able to open this, add it to my collection of Hot Wheel Racing. And this will be in some upcoming Hot Wheel Racing videos. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for those videos when they go live, because those are pretty fun and really awesome. Also, I do viewer requests too. So if you guys are interested in specific cars racing, I can go ahead and set that up. But the last three cars for the case, wow, that's interesting. I didn't know that was going to be in there. So we have the 2016 Ford GT Race, and then a 2017 Ford GT, which is the regular version, white with the red stripes. And then another Honda S800 Racing. Wow, this case was absolutely amazing. There were some really awesome cars in there. And honestly, I cannot believe that we got the Super Treasure Hunt. And the card looks amazing. Like, most of the cars around it were pretty dinged up. And this one actually looks really, really good. So I am super excited about that. Like I said, put down in the comments down below what you guys think of that Super Treasure Hunt. I am, like I said, more excited than anything. Like, I really wanted this out of all the Supers out of the whole year. And, like, we pulled it right here on this video. Like, that is absolutely amazing. But if you guys did like this video, go down, hit that like button. I have a lot of other like case unboxing videos going live all the time, and I even have a lot of other projects such as like the Mega Bloks Hot Wheel collaborations. We got the Audi 90 Quattro with like the little mini version. Also have an Aston Martin Vulcan kind of sitting right over here. And we also have like a Firebird. I have a bunch of others. So I do all kinds of videos, Hot Wheel, collectible related. So definitely hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all of those. But comment down below, what is your favorite car for the entire case? And I think this is such an awesome case. A lot of amazing cars came out, and I am so excited. But hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.